to change over the next few days?
It is, Sal. Today, to start with, is going to be less windy and fewer showers around than we had yesterday. So more of us seeing pictures rather like this with some blue sky. Good morning. So what we have today is Storm Bert continuing to pull away onto the near continent. That opens the doors to this area of high pressure. But later, we do have another area of low pressure coming our way, which will change things, as Sal alluded to there. So a lot of showers across Scotland, some of them wintry on the tops of the Highlands and Grampians. Showers coming in across Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, courtesy of a weak weather front. There's a few getting into parts of northwest England, South Wales and the southwest. But for most of us, it is going to be dry. Our weak weather front sinks southwards into northern England through the course of the day. Again, producing some showery outbreaks of rain, but nothing too heavy. Temperatures 5 to about 12 degrees north to south. Now, by the end of the afternoon, the next area of low pressure is coming in from the southwest. It's going to be drifting northwards and eastwards. It will take rain over areas we've already seen rain, but the heaviest is likely to be across some southern counties, and we could hear the odd rumble of thunder with that as well. Winds will also pick up. So as a result, it's not going to be as cold. Temperatures will dip before that low pressure comes in, and then they'll pick up as the low pressure moves across us. But it won't get into northern England, into parts of Scotland or Northern Ireland, so that does mean that it's going to be cold for you with some frost. So this will continue to drift northeastwards, could deposit some snow in the hills, for example, of Wales, the Peak District. To the northwest of that, drier and brighter with a peppering of showers. But as this low pressure moves away, it will have a bit of a sting in its tail. It looks like we're going to have gusty winds through Lincolnshire, East Anglia, potentially Cambridgeshire, down into the southeast, gusting 50 to 55 miles an hour, a bit more with exposure. And we'll see further showers across southeast Scotland and northeast England. Temperatures 4 to 14 degrees. So moving through the week, that eventually moves away Wednesday overnight, allowing on Thursday this area of high pressure to build. That's effectively keeping these weather fronts at bay in the Atlantic. One of them will try to make inroads. So we start on a frosty note on Thursday. There'll be some patchy mist and fog around. Then it will lift and we'll be left with a lot of dry weather, some sunny spells. But out towards the west, the cloud will be gathering. We'll see some spots of rain and the wind is going to pick up. Temperatures only 3 in Aberdeen and Glasgow, 4 in Newcastle, 5 in Hull, but 10 in Plymouth. Now, as we head on into the weekend, well, it looks very much like temperatures will start to rise a bit compared to where they have been, but then they start to slip once again as we head into the next week. Sal and John.
Carol, thank you very much.
Thanks.